Welcome to this video on the paradigm shift to community engagement. We will be exploring a visual guide to the enhanced IB framework, first teaching in 2025, focusing on moving from transactional service to transformational partnerships. This shift redefines our relationship with the world. We move away from a deficit model, focused on fixing perceived lack, toward a strengths-based reciprocal approach. Diagnosing the shift, the old model of service as action, focused on specific needs and individual achievements. The new model, community engagement, involves jointly defining opportunities, dialogic interaction, and focusing on systems thinking outcomes. The enhanced framework is built on a strong theoretical lineage. Paulo Freire's critical pedagogy emphasizes dialogue and the ethical examination of power structures. Catherine Berger-Kay's service learning integration emphasizes experiential models and student agency. David Kolb's experiential learning drives continuous loops of reflection and reflexivity. The learner's evolution progresses across programs. PYP emphasizes play-based inquiry and personal agency. MYP enhanced focuses on collaborative action and intercultural understanding. The CPDP core culminates in ethical solidarity, engaging in compassionate systems thinking and sustained partnerships. The architecture of community engagement centers on several interconnected elements, including the context, the three dimensions of community, the drivers, the goals, and the ecosystem lens, which inform both where and how we engage. The three dimensions expand contextual awareness. The personal dimension focuses on understanding positionality and resilience. The relational dimension involves valuing community wisdom and developing collective agency. And the systems dimension requires recognizing complex interdependence and structural forces. The three principles are the engines of ethical action. Dialogue involves deep listening and shared understandings. Reciprocity means distributing power equitably and cultivating ethical solidarity. Reflection and reflexivity require critically analyzing biases and approaching situations with humility. The four learning outcomes guide the experience. LO1 is to foster reciprocal and dialogic engagement. LO2 focuses on exploring systems and roles. LO3 is about enacting ethical thinking and action. LO4 involves engaging in reflective and reflexive practice. The iterative process of engagement is nonlinear and inquiry-based. It includes explore and prepare by investigating root causes, relate and act through mindful collaboration, and evaluate and share through collective review and storytelling. The framework offers a varied menu of engagement forms, including community building, participation, advocacy, social entrepreneurship, and action research. Each form provides a pathway for deep, reciprocal engagement with the community. Assessment is a continuous journey, spanning informal and formal methods. It includes informal daily/weekly tools, the learning journal for multimodal evidence, formal formative check-ins, and a holistic, non-numeric summative evaluation. Co-authoring the CE story involves 3 review points over the 2-year journey: setting the scene, the unfolding plot, and the resolution. Narrative assessment shifts the focus from proving success to answering what, how, and why did it happen. The support ecosystem involves the CE coordinator for leadership, the CE advisor as the primary facilitator, and the optional CE mentor as the community liaison. Crucially, ethical safeguarding and risk assessment must be a paramount emphasis in implementation. The ultimate goal is cultivating compassionate integrity. Community engagement is a vital laboratory for students to align how they think, feel, and act within deeply interconnected global systems. Through reciprocal engagement, students operationalize the IB mission to build a more peaceful and sustainable world.